Good evening, Knicks members. This is the video that will be ran for CT's giveaway. All right. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go live right now. We are live. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you the time right here. I got a time 10:42 here. Time of 10:42 here. Here is your list of names. I'm going to go ahead and copy this list. And I'm going to go ahead and run over to this giveaway right here. Okay, this is the random.org in case no one's ever seen it before. This is what we use for giveaways, random giveaways. CT's donation giveaway. I have put nothing in here yet, and we're going to paste this. I'm still live. There we go. I've pasted this exactly as it came over. So there's a top spot, second spot, last two spots. We're going to show you the last two spots, West Jones, Bill Vickers, and Adam and I were 1 and 2. So again, we are already live. There's your list. Here's the time again. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do a 3 dice on this. These 3 dice will determine how many randomizations we do, and the top spot at the end of this will receive the prize. Okay? So here we go. We're going to roll this. And it's 3, 5, 7, okay? So I'm going to begin the giveaway. We're going to roll this. We're going to randomize this list 7 times. The top spot will take the books. There's the first round, okay? And this next and final round will determine your winner. Good luck, everyone. Thank you to Knicks Group for donating. I mean, generous donations for someone who was going through a hard time. I know Jeff has gone through a rough time these last few years. I know I did this last year, and there's a lot of us that have gone through this, and it's very difficult. Great way for everyone to come together and show that we all care. Here we go. Your winner will be Phil Hendricks. Spot number 1. He takes the lot, I believe it is. We're going to come down. And here's a verification code, okay? We have a time of 10:45 here, 10:45 here. I'm going to show you 10:45 here, and we're going to go back to this random. This is going to give us the list, okay? I'm going to go ahead. We're going to copy this, and we're going to place that onto the Facebook, okay? That does show each round. So congratulations to Phil Hendricks. I hope that's the right way I pronounced it. And we're going to come back over to Facebook, and we're going to go ahead and I'm going to end this. We are done. I will copy and paste all this over. You guys will see this in a while. Congratulations.